welcome everybody. My name is Lars Eric Robinson. My company name is Larza Arts. All around Artainment's my slogan. Anyway, today what we're going to talk about is how you create a portfolio as an artist. There's a lot of different ways to do portfolios. One of the most famous ones now that I can't demonstrate here right now, but is to have your artwork on the computer, get it on the World Wide Web. There's a lot of other hosting programs out there that you can use, or you can create your own website and get your own domain. And one of the ways that I learned when I graduated art school was to create yourself 4x5 transparencies that you put up against the light, and you can see your artwork that way. So if you put it up against a light table, you'll see it, but here it looks dark from you here. But this is one of the professional ways if you actually go into a client and you want to show some of your work on a light table. Another way is to have a condensed version of all your work, all your different types of work. And look, I've been doing it for a while, 15 years, it adds up. Have your resume handy. It's always very important. Have a flyer nearby that you can hand to the client. And then having your portfolio showing the different ways, this is caricatures, showing all the different steps that you go through, and having tabs for the different kind of work. Fine art, and then illustrations, then having a tab for your murals and signs, for example, and then finally maybe at the end showing all your different sketches. Show people all your different sketch ideas. One of my most current ones that I'm working on right now is actually putting everything in different categories. I want to have all my graphic design work in one book and having all my illustration stuff in another book. And another thing last to let you know about is having a portfolio of all your clients. It's very important too. Have all your cards together for clients. All right, create your own cover heads. You got to have your own cover heads, so you have a standard logo that you can use. So that's all ways of making a portfolio. Hope that gives you a little bit more understanding of what we go through as an artist to be able to create our portfolios. Thank you so much.